A template test lets you compare different page layouts without duplicating your entire theme. It's the right test type for a major structural change, a different product page layout, a new section order, or a different placement for your reviews and upsell blocks. A template test assigns different Shopify templates to different visitor groups for the same product, collection, or page. Control sees your current template. Variant sees the alternative layout you design. You don't need to duplicate your theme. You just create a new template file inside your existing live theme. Template tests cover your store's main page types: product, collection, homepage, standard pages, cart, blog and article pages, and search. Use a template test for layout experiments. If the change spans multiple page types or the whole store design, that's a theme test. Before creating the test in ABConvert, open the Shopify theme editor for your live theme. Create the variant template and name it clearly, for example, product.layout-b. Design the layout, add the sections you want to test, and save it. Then come back to ABConvert to set up the test. Complete steps 1 and 2 to name your test, write your hypothesis, and set your groups and audience. If you are not familiar with those setup steps yet, check out our setup walkthrough video first. In step 3, choose the control template and the variant template. The drop-down lists every template from your currently published theme. Select your existing template as control and the new one you created as variant. Use compare variants to see both templates side by side before launch. Switch between desktop and mobile views. It's the fastest way to confirm both layouts look right without running through the full preview. If your template is assigned to hundreds of products but you only want to test a few of them first, use advanced settings. Add page URL conditions to restrict the test to just those product pages, with no need to manually reassign templates in your store. You validate the new layout on a small slice before exposing the whole catalog. Template tests are the right tool for layout experiments within your existing theme. Design the variant in Shopify first, then let ABConvert split your traffic. Next up, the theme.